Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make homemade samosa. This samosa is 100% made by wheat, uh, uh, zero maida. Generally, samosa is everybody's favorite evening tea time snack. If you make with wheat, it gives more nutrient to the samosa. And come, let us go into the video and see how to make samosa. So in this, I have added only potato, green peas, but you can even add capsicum, carrot, beans to stuff for samosa. Depends upon what vegetable you have in house. Come, let's go into the video. Samosa is a deep fry recipe. If you prepare in a right way, it won't drink too much of oil. Half kg potato, cut it into 2 or 3, and I am adding hot water. Pressure cook it for 3 to 4 whistles and then remove the skin, mash it nicely, add required amount of salt, mix it well. Now mashed potato is ready for samosa. I have taken 1.5 cup of wheat flour, pour water, knead it well and make it as a dough. Now heat the kadai, pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, grease it, add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, asafoetida, finely chopped 4 green chilies, allow it to splutter, add chopped curry leaves, add finely chopped 1 big onion, salt it well, cook it nicely, add 1 handful of green peas, allow it to cook, then add the mashed potatoes, just keep it for 5 minutes, mix it nicely, off the stove. Now the stuffing is ready. Now make small balls with the wheat dough, flatten it. This is a samosa mold. Open it, lightly apply oil, very light oil, then place the flattened wheat roti on top of samosa molder. Fill the potatoes on the mold, close the mold, remove the excess flour. Now a beautiful shape has formed. Likewise, make and keep before deep frying. If you don't have mold, you can use your hands and prepare samosa. Now in a kadai, pour enough oil, slowly drop down the samosa, flip both the sides. It's like a puri only. And then once the samosa is cooked, remove from the oil. A beautiful 100% wheat samosa is ready. You can also try and comment, subscribe. It tastes good with ketchup.